And
This is good. So this brings us to a question. I get you. So it is. There's a question. Kelly asks us, "What's the difference between mediation and simply negotiating?" Which is, I thought of that because that's kind of what you were just talking. And I know I interrupt you. I apologize. But what you're just talking about gets to that issue. Is that so? Can you answer that question? The difference between negotiating and mediating?
yeah, and Gary, when I started practicing law 35 years ago, can't believe that. I don't think there were, I don't know, if there were professional mediators, I'd never encountered any. We did just negotiate our own cases. And we were very successful at it, but there were times where the personalities would cause a breakdown, or maybe, I remember I had one case where the defense lawyer told me point blank, I refuse to talk to that other side. I find him to be a heinous individual. So I was the mouthpiece. This is way before I ever became a mediator, which is kind of funny. So why mediation is different than negotiation is the mediator is a professionally trained negotiator who comes in with a whole bag of tricks. And maybe tricks is a bad word, a whole bag of strategies and techniques that have been proven over time to be effective. And one of them, for example, is this mediator's number. And so, I'm kind of the go-between. I'm the Henry Kissinger of disputes. So the
Very
thing
good.
people love about the mediator's number is, so let's say on the defendant's side, you're willing to pay 75. The plaintiff never finds out that you're willing to pay 75 if the plaintiff said no. And both sides really like that because it gives them some comfort, some cushion. And then, we decide what we want to do. If we don't get a deal because of the mediator's number, there's still ways to talk and ways to keep it going. So
Well, and then the mediator's number, you've tested the waters, you have a feeling and you have a gut on where this thing's going, and you speed things along and get to a resolution, which is the other thing. And the other fundamental difference between the two is negotiation is party versus party. Mediation is party versus party, but you're in the middle. And so that's, the mediator is the person between the conflicts.